Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this 3D object using Creo Parametric. Now just go to the software, new. We are going to model as a solid part modeling. Untick this use default template, click OK. We are going to use mm as a dimension. For this choose mm solid absolute, click OK. Now just go to the model. Now I am going to create extrusion of this 60 length and height of 19 plus 26, the distance of 10 plus 32 plus 10. Now go to software, sketch, sketch view. Now draw the center line. Press roller to confirm. Now take this rectangle, corner rectangle, symmetric rectangle, press roller to confirm. Go to the model. This length is 60, this height is 19 plus 26. This length is 60, this height is 19 plus 26. Just fit 45. Now just click OK to confirm. We just want to extrude this object as a symmetric. Go to the model. This extrusion length is 32 plus 10, 42 plus 10, 52. Just change this value into 52 and enter. Now just click OK to confirm. Now we have extruded. Then just go to the model. Then we just want to remove this portion here. For this, select this surface, go to sketch, sketch view. Now take the reference for your sketch. I've taken reference for all the edges and close. Now just take this circle with the center point. I'm just taking here. No, just cancel it by clicking escape. Select this arc with center and ends. This is I have taken as a center. This is one of my point. This is going down. Just cancel again. Select this point and select here and select here and press the roller to confirm. Now just go to the model. Our radius of your object is 40. Just change this into 40 and distance we just want to specify here is 16 and this is 10. Go to the model, dimensions. This distance is 16 and go to the dimension, click this point and this edge. This distance is 10. It's showing constraint, over constraint. You just want to delete any one of the constraint. This is I'm deleting. This is 10. This distance is 10. Okay. Now just click OK to confirm. Now again just go to edit, click edit. We just want to close this line because we have only one line. For this, take this line, take this one, take this and join this one. Just press the roller to confirm. Again press roller to confirm. Now we have created a surface. Now just click OK to confirm. Just rotate your object, go to the model. We just want to extrude this into 35, the distance of 35. Extrude, change the direction into this side. This is 35. Press enter and click OK to confirm. Now go to the model. Up to this we have done. Now we just want to remove this circular one. For this, go to this surface, select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view, take the reference, just close. Now take the circle with the center point, freehand sketch, click and press the roller to confirm. Now just go here, the diameter is 32. This is 32. Now just take the line and take this and connect this line and press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we just want to remove unwanted edges. For that, go to delete segment, delete this edge and this edge. Now press the roller to confirm. Now we have got this surface, that pink surface, that means we can extrude. The extrusion length is 26. Just click OK. Now go to extrude, change the direction. This distance is 26 and press enter and click OK to confirm. Now just go to the model. Now we just want to extrude the length of distance of 10, the height of 19. For that, select the surface, go to sketch, sketch view, go to reference, take this edges as a reference and close, select this rectangle and press the roller to confirm. Now this distance is 19 actually, that's why I have taken this one. Just click OK. Now we just want to extrude this into 10 mm distance. Just rotate. This distance is 10 mm. Press enter and click OK to confirm. Now just go to the model. Now we just want to model this small portion. For that, select this plane, go to sketch, sketch view, take the reference, just close. Now go to the model. The dimension of this small length is 5 mm. This total distance is 17. We just want to extrude it. Okay. Take this line and this point, press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now this distance is 5. Go to dimension. This distance is 17. We have done our dimensioning. Then click OK to confirm. Now go to extrude. We just want to extrude this into symmetric. Choose symmetric. The distance we want to extrude is 20. Change the dimension of 20 and click OK to confirm. Now we have completed our model. To proper view, hide all the planes, standard orientation, shading with edges. Go to the model. Yes, we have completed our model. For change the appearance, go to appearance, this color I am choosing, click this model and click OK. Change the color into this one, click this model and click OK. So we have done our model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.